Hi, I'm Todd and we're making time now. Today we're going to do a rotisserie chicken over the fire here. I got our other SCOFF here. This is the 17-inch that I made for the rotisserie. And that one over there is a 21-inch. And these SCOFFs, if you ever want a bigger rack, all you got to do is just flex it out. And if you do that, I recommend charbroil. Don't go no bigger than a 21. That works about the best. So we got our fire going here, and we're going to get this put together, get the cord out to it, get the chicken going, and see me then. Right, we got our chicken here. Just to pre-warn you, it's a very windy day here today. So try to do our best to block out the wind noise, but it is windy. And having these panels on there protecting what we're cooking to hold our heat in will be quite an asset. But what we're gonna do with this chicken here, what I'm going to do today, I usually have a chicken barbecue sauce that we make our own, and it's a lot better than this. I doctored this up. I tried it and it was pretty much tasteless. It's State Fair chicken sauce, and yeah, it's pretty tasteless. So I doctor it up like our regular chicken sauce that we use. And this summer when it's nicer out, I'll get everything, we'll mix it up and give you the recipe of very good. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put this on here. I think I'm gonna put some sauce inside and let the rotisserie just spin around inside of it. So it kind of like a marinate it as we're cooking it, because it'll, I don't know, I'll try to hold it in there so it can just rotate around in the sauce. And you got a few feathers here, pin feathers. So we'll take this here, put that through there, and I might have to zip tie his legs somehow, maybe. Not too sure what we're gonna do. We got to find a middle here so it'll ride in the middle. So like I said, I'll try to put this through the legs so that'll hold them on. All right, we got it wrangled around here. I have the legs so that the bar, the holder goes on top of them, and I have it so that the two bars on this side going on top of the wings, keep them from flopping around. And I might have to get a pair of pliers, tighten them down a little more. We're gonna take some of this sauce, I'm gonna pour inside there. So let me get my pliers, I'm gonna tighten them down a little bit. I'm gonna snug these down here. sauce. Try to pour a little bit of it inside. Okay, we're going to put this in there now. It takes a little bit to get it slid through there, but once you do, it's pretty good. We might have to pop this one panel out. Oh, not bad. Yep, that popped open. My finger came out, but that's all right. We'll just put it back in. We just put the motor in there. Got to get this lined up. Goes down there like so. Got to get the gear lined up. I might have to, yeah, might be all right. Do I have the right end? I don't have the right end. I got to spin it around. Yeah, we got to spin it around. I had the wrong end. It goes in the motor over there. It did. So just got to get this line back up. Finger in right there. Now this here should slide right in there. I said should. Motor right side up. Good. Get this lined up. What we're going to do, it's lopsided because this motor's tilting it. What we'll do, we'll end up putting a zip tie up here, and we'll still be able to raise it up and down, and it'll keep it from tilting and from burning our wire up. So that looks pretty good. I think this, it really should be slid over a little, but I think it'll work. Take this here, plug her in, maybe. Should have it moved over a little bit. The wing is rubbing. So I might move that over a little bit. So other than that, we're good to go. All right, we got those tightened down. What we're gonna do, turn it on here. This is a 17-inch rack, 17-inch rack. We got a 12-inch pizza pan. We're gonna put right in the middle. I bent the lip down so it wouldn't be able to catch the juice, so it'll be able to run off. And I'm gonna pour a little bit of this on there. Gonna baste it. That she goes around. This has oil in it, vinegar, and so it'll give it a nice brown look when we get done. All right, we're closing in on 2 hours now, and chicken's looking good. That's all barbecue sauce that we've been building up on it. We've been taking the sauce here and you dab it. You don't want to brush it because you'll take it off. And every few minutes, well, no, probably every 10 minutes or so, I've been doing this. And this is the Cornell chicken barbecue sauce kind of style. And looking good. The wind's been blowing really hard. It's been hard to hold a steady heat on it. It's been fluctuating up and down. I've been running 400 right now. I see it was hot. It's all the way down to 200 right now. All right, it's been on there for 3 hours. She looks pretty good. It is my rotisserie that came out. Like I said, I've been taking it and just been basting it like that for 3 hours, probably about every 10 minutes. It's got a good layer. You can see all the juice. I got all the juice in there. I haven't probed it because I'm afraid of letting all the juice out. I do believe I came in the side here and it's like 170. So I believe it's good. So we're gonna take it off and hold it in the side here, and like I said, it was 170. So we're gonna pull this off here, and the wind has been blowing. You can see it; it's freezing out here, really cold. All right, we had to move inside here. I wrapped it up. It just was so cold out there. The wind just howling. You can hear it now blowing around here, blowing the camper around. So you can see all the juice down below, and it looks good. It is. Get a knife here and cut off a leg. Very good. Real juicy. Doctoring that state fair up, putting poultry season, more onion powder and garlic powder and stuff really end up being good. It really kicked it up a notch, it did. Otherwise it was kind of tasteless. But all in all, it turned out good, looked good. Like I said, it was miserable out there. And the fire would, I held anywhere from 300 to 350 to 400, all depending on how hard the wind was blowing. So check us out at SCOFF Outdoor Cooking, and make sure you make yourself some time now. Have a good one.